Guys, so I'm a prophet, but I'm not a prophet, but I can see the future is not brighter for those people who are still learning. So I want to tell you guys this one thing, that AI is here with us. AI is here and is super intelligent, and we don't know how this thing is going to be in the next 5 years, 10 years, 50 years. You guys out there who still learning, still grinding, those people don't want even to hear anything about AI replacing them at their jobs, replacing them. AI is going to replace you guys who are still learning. I know this is a bitter truth to be told to the world, that yes, you are working, yes, but sooner or later, your job is going to be taken away by a machine. This is what I'm telling you guys, that the future ain't bright for AI. That only if you guys out there can learn and acquire more intelligence than this thing called AI, then that's how you're going to beat this machine. But if you can't store enough information than this AI, then you're going nowhere. So what am I going to tell you? My advice to you, that guys, if you see this AI is here with us, yes, it's here with us, but how am I going to exploit this AI to at least give me something that I can earn a living out of it? Yeah, that's a thing that you should do as a human right now. Because if you continue studying, this thing is I mean, that book in the library that you can take months to read, those books, you can't even read the whole library. But this thing out here can acquire all that information, the whole of that library, in just 1 minute, and give it to you, give it to people free. You take your school fees out there, give it out there, but this thing out here is taking all that information that you have in your brain and anybody else out there. This thing can be a doctor, this thing can be a teacher, this thing can be something else, this thing can even make bombs, man. So what am I going to tell you guys? That yes, it's like Bitcoin. This intelligence is like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin came out, there was a dude who said, yo man, just buy this Bitcoin for $1. That was 2013. Just buy this, just $1, save $1, man. People say, yo man, we are not going to lose our $1. But remember, this guy took his $1 million and bought Bitcoins worth $1 million. This guy right now is super rich, man. So let me tell you guys out there, that the fact that AI is here with us, you should be aware that yes, the future is not predictable. Yes, we know about our past, but right now you can't exactly say what the future is going to be, because things are evolving. Things are evolving, and these things are evolving. I mean, there will become a time where human being with this small thing called a phone, a computer, is going to be untouchable. Despite whether he has the information or not, he's going to be untouchable. So guys, what I'm going to tell you right now is just sit down, guys. Don't think about any shit. Just forget about it. Because I saw when YouTube came in, I thought it was going to replace the universities, but it didn't actually do it, because there was some misinformation, there were some teachers who were fake, but it did at some point. It supplemented universities and replaced some universities. But remember, this open AI is like a teacher to you. Teaches you anything you want, gives you whatever you want at any time, provided you have the internet connection. So do what I've told you guys. Look for ways you can exploit this AI. Once you get the ways you can exploit this AI, that's all you need. So see you guys in the future. Maybe if I'm dead, this message is to you. There's this neighbor making noise here. He doesn't even actually understand the message I'm giving to you. But anyways, if he gets this message, well and good. See you guys in the next video. I'm not going to record any other video. This is enough.